What's going on, awesome people? No, just kidding. Trying something new. Anyway, I did hunt this morning. It didn't go well. Didn't go bad. But today's plan, this weekend's plan, really wasn't about hunting. Yes, I do have some footage I may or may not put in from yesterday of me filling up the feeder, putting in a feed block, and tightening up the stand a little bit more. But today, this week's episode is about this. It's got to go. Number one, we're not huge bird people. But number two, we want a fire pit. And I originally was going to put it in the backyard, but the backyard's not really flat. The front yard is pretty flat, which would allow us to set up and play cornhole on the flat ground. Because our friend group we're big cornholers. But yeah, so we're gonna get this monstrosity behind me tore down and start working on a fire pit. We're gonna throw y'all on time lapse. And I was gonna show you Tony, but she went in. Maybe as I was spinning, y'all might have saw her over there cleaning off the front porch. But anyway, yeah, that's it. We're gonna get started. Hopefully this rain holds out, or I might be waiting a minute because it's starting to rain. But either way, that's what we got planned. Hope y'all enjoy. Hang around, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, because if you don't, it won't notify you. It's just the way YouTube is. Anyway, we're gonna get started. Whoa. Got the feeder removed like I told y'all. Got some protein in it mixed with some corn. New block. Figured I'd try something different with block rather than the liquid this time around. Obviously got the trail cam up there, which I'm fixing to change the card out. Put the most god-awful camo straps, because I just don't trust this thing, so I put a couple extra straps on it. But yeah, hopefully I got some pictures on the cam I can show y'all and put in here, and hopefully tomorrow morning I can put a deer on here. But we'll see. If not, like I said, this is all you're getting of the hunting if I don't, because tomorrow is about the fire pit that we're going to put in. Yeah, that's it. We'll see y'all tomorrow. There's gonna be a bunch more of the same of that, but anyway, I stopped it because I want to show you this. This property used to be Tony's grandmother's, her nanny's, and apparently at one point, we haven't seen them growing, but apparently at one time around this little birdhouse she'd planted some onions, because in just this little bit that I've dug up right here, onion, and there's a bunch in there. Craziest thing. Anyway, I'm going to set you down because it's starting to rain again. That's why it's kind of looked a little weird, but I'm going to keep working once I get it flattened out, because y'all don't need to see me digging a bunch. I will cut you back on as I start stacking the block to make the fire pit, because thankfully I'm recycling and I'm using already what's there. But anyway, we'll see when I start doing that. Not the correct tools, as you can tell. And if you're wondering why I keep hitting my legs and knocking my feet off, there's a couple ant piles in here that I'm gonna have to deal with. I'm gonna have to put some ant killer down. But for what I got, it ain't bad. It is what it is. Like I said, I ain't a professional. Just doing working with what I got. So I think it'll be all right. But anyway, we're gonna get back to it. I'll show y'all the finished product in a minute as I get this hand off my hand. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for today. I got rained out, but as y'all can tell, that's as far as I got. I got a little bit more to go, clean it up a little bit more, but I promise y'all, before the end of this video, whether it's Sunday, Monday when I finish it up, I promise I will show y'all the finished product. But for now, I'm going to get dry because I'm soaked. But anyway, we'll see y'all in a little while. What's up, everybody? I promised y'all I would show you the final result before the end of this video. I finished it as Monday, but I'm gonna show it to you. I'm going in the house. It's time to go to bed. Now I gotta edit this, then go to bed before I go back to work again. But anyway, this is the final product before furniture. I will let Tony deal with that, but this is what we got. I don't think it turned out too bad, honestly. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to come back in here and fill a little bit of it in with some more mulch. And then I am going to put gravel on it at some point, just not at the moment. And that is lettuce barking in the background. But yeah, that's it, folks. This is where we're gonna love you, and this is where we're gonna leave you. I appreciate y'all for hanging around this long. If you have, remember, do us a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. And we'd love for y'all to continue to take the journey with us. But anyway, God loves you. We love you. And if you can't hug somebody, at least smile and wave.